Hello, I am back playing Animal Hospital, and this was a bit early. Well, I just feel like yapping today because apparently that's all I ever do. Alright, let's just go. Oh, by the way, do you like my avatar? So cute, I know. You don't have to tell me. Okay, I'm going by myself. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. I haven't found out that, so we're gonna find out today. This game is so chaotic. Remember that one time I literally left the game because I got jump scared? Okay, hold on. Hello. You look like a marshmallow. Sup, I'm Buddy Martin. Okay, I'm here for my appointment. Yeah, of course you are. Stamp forms, okay. Take photo. I'm gonna take your photo, okay? Alright? Looks like there's nothing there. I'm kidding. You look fine. Wait. Wait, hold on, let me just... Alright, anyway. Sorry, Alright. You're fine. But if you come attacking me, like last time, then, just know. I will be there. And I will buy this. For each is your... yeah. You know what, guys? We gotta go prepared. Dang it. I don't have enough Robux. Oh, there you are. I remember you. Okay, you're in room 1. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Guys, your health is really important to us. Yeah, well, no crap. It's called a hospital. Ouch. You're gonna be okay, I promise. You're not gonna die. I'm not like that. Okay. Finalizing. Stomach ache. You came to the hospital because of a stomach ache. Dang. Alright, now leave. Leave this building in 10 seconds. My goodness. Leave this building in 10 seconds or I'm going to chase after you with it. Okay. I could run a marathon now. You could have run a marathon before. Are you joking right now? You needed a bandage on your head for a stomach ache? That's crazy. I don't know who would ever need that, but okay. Can you speed it up a bit? I'm tired of waiting. It's called patience, and you're really failing at that right now. Dang. No wonder you came to the hospital. We need to get your brain checked. Just print it already. Print badge. Take. Dog. Thanks. Oh my goodness, my throat. I will be in room 2. Remember that one time I thought it was a hotel? That was embarrassing. That's how bad my memory is. That the game name was Animal Hospital. 2 seconds after joining in. First patient, by the way. Alright. Can we just leave that open? Because if I have to run out again, then trust me, I will be sprinting out that door. I remember one of the patients called the rich. I don't know what that was about. Dried eyes. Twins. I'm telling you. Eye drops. Hey, I need some of these. Girl, shut up. No one sees anything. Alright, anyway. The doctor is arriving. Oh my goodness, guys. We gotta go. We gotta go. He looks different than last time. Dang. A bandage on your head for dry eyes. Yep, thank you for leaving. He looks different, I'm scared. I don't know, we got an update today, so I think that's just like the update, right? Oh, look, it's me! Isn't my avatar so cute, guys? I know, it's so kawaii. Shift 1. I'm Duke-Lin. I'm Dookie. Wanna check in as a patient. Yeah, I would like to check in as a doctor. Yeah. Register. I'm registering this. How was your day today? You look like a piece of celery. I'm so sorry. Alright. Does every one of them look like they haven't got sleep in like 10 days? You been high on caffeine? I don't know. But here you go. Maybe that's why you're here. I'll be in room 5. Yeah, no one cares, idiot. Open the door yourself, you piece of little celery. Piece of lettuce. I'm gonna jump scare you. Last time it failed. Okay. Alright. Ooh. 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 Ew. Okay, ooh. Ooh. Ah! Oh my god. Wait. I can't go through doors now. That's crazy. Last time I literally jumped through the door. Take DNA sample. Ouch. Can I jump on the... Yes. Best believe if there's any sort of monster, I will be jumping on the TV. Oh, herbs. Yeah, that's crazy. Please give tips in the comments, guys. I really don't know what to do in this game. Like barely. Trash item. That should come in use like in 2 minutes. Because guess what? Did you know in exactly 2 minutes and 45 seconds a patient is gonna come in here and light the room on fire? No, they are not. Just watch. Come on, guys, just watch. I left the door open. Not professional. Ew, what are you? Why do you look like that? Ooh, I'm a unicorn. Bro, someone really did something. Huh. Can't stop looking at that thing. That thing is crazy. Oh, wait, inspect. I keep forgetting. I got room 4. Oh no, okay. Let's, I'm scared. I'm hiding up here. Did you just teleport onto the bed? That's crazy. Okay, question. Why is it so dirty? Clean the keyboard, bro. Nobody wants to be seeing all that. Just saying, though. Bruises? You came to the hospital for bruises. I mean, unless they're like really bad, then you need to go home. Look, guys, the medkit has eyes. Guys, is this a new animal in Animal Hospital? Oh. Can you tell I'm a Flamingo fan? Alright, anyway. Patient recovering. So I just stepped on you. Oh wow. Then red stuff starts coming out. Oh, what do you mean by that? I don't know. Inspect. Bruises. Oh, I can get closer. Oh my goodness. Guys, I can't really see it. Can we like make it close? I'm kidding. Alright, anyway. I am forever in your debt. Okay, that's crazy. No way, you actually want to shut the door yourself for once? That's crazy. Wow! Get out of this building, or I swear on my life, I will buy the gun. What is that? You know what? Leave. Goodbye. Protected? Me? How dare you? I'm glad you're leaving. Okay. What's up? I'm Philip Wibble. I want to check in as a patient. I don't think this is an anomaly because I think you actually need to go to the hospital. Like, at this point, how are your limbs not broken? Like, are we being serious? I'm gonna take a photo, and if there's something wrong with it, best believe. Are you an anomaly? I think you actually need to go to the wait. I forgot there's cameras and nah, you just have horrible posture. That's crazy. Twins, I guess. Alright, I'll be happy to help you with your horrible posture. Is it too late to... Was that a mistake? I got room 1. Why would you want to fake going into the hospital anyway? You go first. I don't know what's gonna happen. That was an anomaly. Okay. Hello, who are you? Because I think they actually need to go to the hospital. Like, you can't, like, kick someone out just because they look scary. Like, they might actually need help. And if that's not the logic of this game, then... Since when did they have thermometers? That's crazy. I guess they've always been here. Wait, what do you have? You have anomalyitis. A fever? You came here for a fever? The doctor is arriving. Oh, doctor, please save me. Please, doctor, please, please, please. I'm opening new facilities for you. Yeah, that's crazy. Dr. Harlow, the supply shop will open for a limited time each shift. Thanks. Oh, I need to bring my sanity. Guys, I think I have a favorite in this game. I think it's the head nurse. Best nebulae? Uh-oh. Oh my. Can you get out? Okay, nothing seems wrong with you. Yeah. I know if I go outside and ask them to get, oh crap, if I ask them to get out, it's just gonna remove my sanity. Yes, I have been watching videos and I have been studying. It's like barely like the only thing I know, I guess. Oh, it should be good. No, you don't. You don't have enough. Oh, I thought they left. I'm like, what are you doing? I'm leaving that door open just so you know. Get an X-ray. Oh, wait, copy the sequence. Yellow, red, green. Yellow, red, green, pink. Yellow, red, green, pink. Completed. Okay. Oh my goodness. You're welcome, sweetheart. Whoa, that looks like human bones. Sure, this is not an anomaly? No, I'm the anomaly. Cough syrup and ointment. What is wrong with you? Flu and rash. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I thought it was a countdown. I'm like, what? Wait, what was it? Cough syrup for the flu and then the ointment for the rash. Yeah! That's crazy. Okay, anyway. Here you go. Here you go. Look how much money I have. Wait. Are you okay? Okay. Patient recovering. Alright, goodbye. I gotta go check in this other patient over here who's being really impatient. If you know what I mean. Please laugh. Anyway. Take your photo. Yeah, let's see if there's anything wrong with you. I mean, there should be if you're in a hospital. No offense, though. I mean, you look like there's something wrong with you. You look like you've been high on caffeine for like 10 days straight. Alright. How dare you? Okay, I'm actually going to get a police officer to come in here and, like, fix this window. Oh, the camera's broken. Okay, sorry. Wait 1 second, okay? I'm gonna go fix this because some idiot tried to destroy the camera. Alright. Fix the camera. Yeah, I fixed the camera. Oh, look, it's night. Can I open it? Can I please escape? Dang it. All I ever do is yap. Hello. Why is there a fire extinguisher? Okay. Whatever. Alright. Here you go, and on the way I'll see if there are any other cameras are broken, huh? Yeah, someone decided to, you know. That really sucks, doesn't it? Oh, no access. Staff only. Huh, well, guess what? I'm staff. How? I mean, I heard their voice was like a little like deeper. Oh, I think I noticed that their voice was like a little deeper and like weirder and like distorted like at the end when I was giving them like their like ticket or something, whatever it's called. Bruises. Quit looking at me. Look at me. Alright. Medkit. Medicine kit. Your mom kit. Patient recovering. I feel bad for you. When you sleep every night, is this thing like under your bed? I'm so sorry. Alright, goodbye. Get out of my building, like right now. Okay. What do you look like that? I'm scared. I have other things to do, you know? What other things to do? Most of your time is going to be spent at the hospital anyway. If you got a brain, think about that. You know what? I'm kidding. We can't do that, guys. It's not very nice. Okay, you sound normal. Whatever happened to the last people I saw? Ew. Why do you look like... Did I get it wrong? Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, when you chase me out, just know. Actually, copy the sequence. Okay. Blue, red, pink, yellow. Blue, red, pink, yellow. Blue, red, pink, yellow. Oh, my heart dropped. Okay, I thought he was about to start chasing me. Dehydration and headache. IV drops. Medicine. Okay. I swear, if it says run, just know. Okay. All right. Oh wait, I forgot. I keep forgetting. Every day I imagine a future where I can be with that looks different than usual. In my hand is a pen, I'll write a poem. Yeah, stay mad. Ink floats down into a dark puddle. How can I get love into reality? If I can't hear the sound of your heartbeat, what do you call love in your reality? Okay. And in your reality, if I don't know how to love you, I'll leave you be. Do I trust them? I mean, they're speaking like... No service. What kind of place is this? No, what kind of creature are you is what you should be asking. Oh crap. Oh my god, get out of here. No, you don't. Hello. Can you talk? I have an appointment. Okay. Alright guys, like, if they keep ending their sentences in like dots, are they an anomaly? I don't know. Please let me know, I have to. Don't have time for this. Come on, guys. Sophie Wolf. That's crazy. I got room 2. Yeah, and I got your mother. Alright, let's see. Do not shut that door. Okay, I don't think they were an anomaly. It's because nothing's happening, right? If they're an anomaly, then something happens, right? I'm not sure. I don't think so. I really don't know. Please tell me. Medkit. Yeah, I get it. Shut up. Medkit. 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 Alright. Okay. If you wanna part 3, then just like, you know, yes, just, you know, like, yeah, thank you. What am I doing? All right, bye.